Introducing Yon-Ka, a brand created in France in 1954 by brothers Charles, Ernest, and his wife Cécile. Since the 1960s, the brand continues to be family-owned and operated by the founders' daughters, a biochemist and an esthetician respectively. The products are manufactured in France and are not tested on animals, nor do they contain parabens, aluminum salts, SLS, MIT, or triclosan. Sensory pleasure and energetic balance are the focus of the Yon-Ka brand. Yon-Ka relies on essential oils and plant extracts. In fact, it uses over 130 plants throughout the skincare line. The brand is known for its exclusive complex, the quintessence. There are 5 dermatologically active plants: rosemary, lavender, thyme, cypress, and geranium. They are known for their anti-aging, detoxifying, balancing, purifying, and regenerating properties. The complex is used at different levels of concentration depending on the product, and you'll find it in 70% of the Yon-Ka range. Yon-Ka offers a selection of creams, oils, lotions, and body care for those of all ages. There are 3 categories for anti-aging skincare: age defense for ages 25 to 35, age correction for ages 35 to 45, and age exception for the needs of mature skin. Contact Skin Trends today to learn more. Skin Trends, expert service in skincare.